sir.
How are you?
Magandang hapon. Okay naman po, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
We
have good news. Kinuto ko sa iyo kanina, we just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we met last week sa Misibis.
Opo, sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na... Yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th, on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care of instruction by our speakers, instruction by the president. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom, you have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa dadating ka ba sa Friday? December 13. Doon ang formal natin.
Sa evening na siguro.
Evening. Dadating si speaker. Si speaker kami ulit ng dalawa. So, inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve na yun sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAPRO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So, that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-usap na sa Misibis and we announce it that we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM will thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the President will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsistence allowance.
Maraming salamat po, sir. Makakarating po, sir. I'll show the video to all our staff and mga sundalo po dito sa Solcom, sir.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you for your service. Kami here to support the AFP, the military in uniform. So, yung mga black propaganda dyan na we are close with hindi totoo yan, gawa-gawa nila yan para lang, alam mo na, yung mga budol-budol dyan. So, anyway, that's it. We are successful and thank God na tuloy ko. Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you rin.
So, do you have, can we request a short Christmas message sa ating mga tao, sir, sa mga personnel natin, ng mga tropa?
Yeah, sure. To all our soldiers in the ground, we have a Merry Christmas.